Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Tailspace 7.9 on VirtualBox. Okay, first go to Tailspace official website and download it. Is tails.net. Then click on install Tails. See here the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.9. Scroll down, then click on binding a Tails DVD. Then click on this download Tails 7.9 ISO image. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 1.8 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded Tailspace 7.9 ISO image. Okay, once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Then click on new or go to machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Tails. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the folder to store this virtual machine files and folders. This is the default location. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other and select the location where you want to save the virtual machine. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See, once we selected voice, change it to Linux, voice distribution to Debian and voice versions Debian 64-bit. Don't select this one. Then Debian version, we have to select the latest version from this list. Then click on next. Now provide base memory. I am giving 4 gigabytes memory. Number of CPU equals to virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. All these are based on availability. Then click on next. If you are okay with all the settings, click on finish. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on back and you can edit. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select the virtual machine from this list and click on settings, or go to machine and select settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is Tails 7.9, and hit enter. Welcome to Tails. Now how to configure these. I am going to select defaults for this language and formats, but if you want to change any one of them, just you need to click on these options. Then you can search for the language or keyboard or formats. Okay. Then persistent storage, if you want to turn on, you have to turn on like this. If you don't want, keep it as turn off. Then additional settings, click on this plus button. See here, these are the default values set for these additional settings. I want to set the administration password, so click on it, then set the password. Then click on add. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start Tails. Now tar connection, click on this radio button to connect to tar automatically. Okay, it is up to you. If you don't want to connect automatically, just click on connect to tar. It is up to you. I want to connect to tar automatically, so select it and click on connect to tar. See, it is establishing connection. Now open terminal, console. See, successfully connected to tar. Click on start tar browser. See, we have successfully connected to tar, and default search engine for tar browser is DuckDuckGo. If you want to unnice, you have to turn on. Okay. Now verify the version more /etc -release. See, we have installed Tailspace 7.9. The first step for to connect, you have to update the packages. Sudo apt update -- sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter, then put the password of the administration, hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Tailspace 7.9 on VirtualBox. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.